These beautiful flowers are called ranunculus, and I'm going to show you how to grow them. Ranunculus grow from what's called a corm. That's what these are. These are all dried out. We need to get them wet and plumped up so we can put them in soil. While you soak your ranunculus corms, go ahead and take some potting soil and put it in a tray with a dome on it. And once your ranunculus is all plumped up, you're going to put them in that potting soil in that tray. Don't worry, you're not going to grow them in the tray. You're only needing to get them to sprout and grow some roots. Here's one of my trays where I put my ranunculus corms, and you can see they're already sprouting. I mean, take a look at this one. Look at all of those really nice roots coming out and multiple sprout heads. Make sure your soil is moist before you put your corms in. Once that happens, leave them in your tray for about 2 weeks. No need to have any light. It'll start sprouting on its own. And once you get them looking like mine does, then it's time to plant them outside, pending your growing zone and the temperature, because let's just face it, weather's weird. Happy growing!